In this video about Let's Talk About Tools, the tool that we're going to talk about is actually located right down in the center where it says, for my screen, 1 out of 10. And what this is your page manager. To give you a little insight of why mine says 1 out of 10, I went ahead and imported a Google Slide document just so that you could see this a little bit better. I'm going to go ahead and left click on where it says 1 out of 10. And what this is going to do is it's going to go ahead and open up my page management system. As you can see from 1 through 10, it has all of my different slides that I went ahead and imported, along with a few different icons I can choose from. If I want to go ahead and go into a direct page, I can go ahead and just left click on that page and it will bring me right there. And if I just want to go back to my page manager, I can go ahead and click where it now says 5 out of 10. As you can see, there's a few different icons. There is a delete button in the top right hand corner that you can delete pages with. Down in the center, you can see that there is a piece of paper with a plus sign, which allows you to duplicate that slide. And in the lower left-hand corner, you could see I have a plus sign, and this allows me to go ahead and make a new page. Now, if I want to go ahead and rearrange, all I need to do is touch and drag. And this is just a short overview of the page management system, and I hope you keep watching for more to learn about more tools.